Looking for a reliable typewriter ribbon that delivers crisp, clean black ink every time? The Brother Correctable Typewriter ribbon is designed specifically for AX, GX, and Correctronic models, offering consistent quality and easy correction capabilities that keep your documents looking professional. This ribbon yields up to 50,000 characters, so you get long-lasting performance without frequent replacements. It's a genuine Brother product, ensuring the same trusted quality you expect from your typewriter. Whether you're typing letters, forms, or reports, this ribbon keeps your text sharp and readable. I remember when I first tried this ribbon on my ML-300 Portable Electronic Typewriter. The installation was straightforward, although the packaging was a bit tricky to open. Once installed, the ribbon worked flawlessly, producing clear black letters with no smudges or fading. It really brought my old typewriter back to life. One tip from experience: make sure the stamping part of your typewriter is properly positioned to hit the ribbon. I initially thought the ribbon was faulty, but it turned out my machine wasn't set up correctly. Once adjusted, the ribbon performed perfectly, proving that it's reliable and consistent once everything is in place. The Brother ribbon supports 3 typing pitches, 10, 12, and 15, matching your machine settings for precise alignment. With a paper capacity of 12 to 7/8 of an inch and a 9-inch writing line, it's a perfect fit for your ML-300 and similar models, giving you the flexibility and accuracy you need. If you want a smooth typing experience with clear, correctable text, this ribbon is worth a look. It comes in a pack of 2, so you're set for a while, and the black ink ensures every character stands out sharply on the page. Ready to keep your typewriter working like new? The Brother Correctable Typewriter ribbon is a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference. Try it when you're ready and enjoy clean, professional results with every keystroke.